Thank you for your registration to CSCA Inspire. We are looking forward to joining all of you over the several days of the conference. In the following video, I will show you how to navigate the conference site after you've logged in. If you have questions on how to log into the conference site, please see the previous video in which I provide a walkthrough on how to log in. Once you are logged in, you will want to locate the Program tab at the top middle of the conference page. When you hover over the Program tab, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you can click on a day to view all the sessions that are taking place on that day, as well as join sessions. Once you click on a day, you can scroll through all of the sessions for that day. Session ID numbers are important to keep track of for sessions that you wish to go to. They can be found to the left of the program. In a few seconds, I'll show you why. However, let's join a session first. When you find a session you wish to attend, click the Join button. If it's the right day and the right time for the session, then a Zoom link will appear in this current blank white spot. You can also search for sessions by using the search feature at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you click the magnifying glass, a search window will pop up. Here you can type in a presenter's name, university, session title, or interest group. However, the best way to utilize this feature is by having the session ID number. For example, let's type in session 0100. Now we'll click Enter on your keyboard. We will be taken to Wednesday's pre-conference where we can hit Join, and if we come back during the right day and time, we'll be able to see a Zoom link in which we can use to enter the conference meeting space. Before I finish this tutorial, I want to provide you with 4 tips. First, you can access the chat feature at the bottom right of any page and ask for help if you run into problems navigating the conference site. There will be somebody available 24/7 through that chat feature who are trained to help conference goers. You can exit out of this chat without losing the chat button for future reference. My second tip is that all session times are in Central Daylight Time. You can see what time it is at the conference and in Central Daylight Time by looking in the top right-hand corner of the conference site. This time will always correspond with session times. If you are in another time zone, then please keep in mind that you will need to figure out what time sessions start where you're at. For example, since I'm in Ohio, which goes off of Eastern Daylight Time, I will need to add an hour to all session start times. This means that the pre-conference on Wednesday, which starts at 1 p.m. Central Daylight Savings Time, really starts for me at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time. My third tip is that people may be crossing over from sessions. The Zoom rooms work like our hotel conference meeting rooms. If a session runs over and the next Zoom session opens, you may have some people moving in and out of sessions. This is just like the room changes during a hotel conference. Finally, please keep in mind that Zoom can be bumpy with strained provider bandwidth, regardless of the reason. If you are experiencing freezing, we recommend stopping your video and continuing with audio only. This completes the tutorial for how to navigate the conference site. If you have further questions or need help navigating the site during the conference, please use the chat feature in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. I hope to see you all at CSCA Inspire.